Hi, everyone. Welcome to a tutorial on your summer school course. My name is Mr. Stewart. I'll be teaching both Geometry and Algebra 1 this year. A little bit about the courses. Geometry and Algebra 1 are set up the exact same way, so I'm just kind of going to go through the geometry. Um, Algebra 1, again, is set up pretty much the exact same way, same exact format. So whenever the student comes into the classroom, they'll receive a book. They'll be enrolled into the um, Geometry or Algebra 1 summer school program online through Canvas. Everything is run through Canvas, and I can't say this enough, but as a parent, you have the opportunity to see what your student has turned in and what they have not turned in. So please make sure to become a viewer on that. Um, if you need any help with that, just send me an email. I'm sure that I can send you a video on it. The school's provided quite a few different types of videos for those. So on the homepage are a couple different things. First off, there's a welcome. It tells what the room number is in the high school, my email, and my phone extension at the school if you ever need to get in contact with me. Because I am teaching both, I should be there from about 8 a.m. to about 12 p.m. every Monday. Email is probably the best, though, because I check my email pretty often. Or if you're a student, if you want to just send me a message through the inbox in Canvas, I also have that on my phone. So there's two different components mainly. There's the Canvas module, and then there's the Alex assignments, which we'll get to. Alex is a different program. There's a couple assignments that you'll have each week. It is link is right here. And then if you ever need more help than just sending me an email and being, hey, I don't know what I'm doing, here's a little Google Meet icon. You can schedule a time to just kind of work through things. Um, we can work through the problem together. Probably take maybe 10 minutes tops to help you out. So each week is 100 points. It's very, very basic. If you go into the module here, you'll see that the student will have the course expectations and then also my contact information again in the office hours. Course expectations are pretty much exactly the same for each course. Okay, just different material that's going to be covered. The grading scale for summer school is the same for each course, and then how the weekly grades are determined. So each week, you'll come into the brick and mortar school on Mondays, and that's where you'll have your test and quiz from the material that you learned previous week. That is worth 70% of your grade each week. Then you'll have Alex assignments. There are 3 per week, except for week 6, which is a little bit different setup. And then you also have a weekly question. So there's 20% of your grade, and then completion assignments, book homework, that's going to be 10% of your grade as well. Each week, you have 5 book assignments. So if you go through week, here's a standard week. Okay. If just kind of clicking on Monday, you'll have a tutorial that you'll have to complete. That's the first thing that we do in the class the very first day. And that will give you the 2 points. On Tuesday, then, you're right into the book. So the second day out, you're right into the book. There are book problems for you to do, as well as videos for each lesson for every single day. So those happen 5 days a week. They're 2 points apiece, 10 points. Then at the very end of the week, you have a weekly question that's also worth 5 points. Then you have some Alex assignments. Alex is an online program. There's usually about 8 to 10 questions per assignment, and you get 2 attempts. Just kind of looking at this, Alex will look a little bit different for the student, but there are different assignments that they'll see. So right here in week 1, there's going to be homework A, B, and C. These are asked to be done by the end of each week, and if the student needs an extension, they can just let me know. There's also a weekly checklist. that goes about just kind of, have you done the things that you needed to do for the week? Okay. And then I also send an announcement about halfway through the week, just kind of checking in to see how everything's going and if the student has any questions. So there's the 5 assignments, which are 2 points apiece for a total of 10 points. The Alex assignments, which are 5 points each, so 15 because there's three of those. And then the weekly question, it's just kind of more deeper understanding type of stuff. And then you've got your test and grade for 70 points. And that's basically it until you get to your final. The final will be on the Thursday of the last, which is in this case this year, July 20th. If you do have any questions on anything else, please feel free to reach out to me. Again, my email and my extension at the school. Okay. All right. Thank you so much. And if for some reason you do end up missing a class, please just send me an email. You'll any class in school class that you miss, you'll take the exam the following week. Okay. All right. Take care.